With woodpeckers, the answer's in the question. True to their name, they peck wood. And when they do, they peck hard. With each peck, the bird undergoes a force of 1,200 to 1,400 grams. By comparison, a measly force of 60 to 100 grams can give a human a concussion. The fact that a woodpecker can undergo 14 times that without getting hurt has led helmet makers model their designs around these birds' skulls. However, a new study in PLOS ONE complicates this story by showing that woodpecker brains contain buildups of a protein associated with brain damage in humans.